I got samples. I love samples. A game of spades bid. A 3 mil milliliters, not meal, not 3 mil. This is not a 3 mil sample. This is a 3 mil sample. Sweet. I got a bunch actually. I have never had something this awesome. King, Game of Spades King Parfum again, 3 mil. I got Game of Spades Queen Parfum, 3 mil. And if I had one left, I have 2 more. I have Game of Spades Boston, but it looks like the vial fell out, so it's in here somewhere. I'll find it. 3 mil. Where is it? Oh, there it is. And I have Wild Card. All right, Boston's there. One second. Let me see if I can get it out. There you go. There is Boston. Sweet. This is hefty. It's kind of like a glass vial. I like it. This one might be easier for my fingers to spray because I can kind of fit it there. Maybe. I don't know. Let's try it. But the thing that everyone is... Oh my gosh, I'm not done. Holy cow. I got Game of Spades Win. I got Game of Spades Rouge, which I already have that one. Thank you so much. It is a good DR540 fragrance. I like it a lot. And Game of Spades Royal. What if I should do a giveaway with those? What do you guys think? Comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway of all those samples. Check, as I'm showing you the back of the box. Check that out. So it's the Game of Spades Parfum version. You got King, Wildcard, Win, Rouge Extrait, Royal, Bid, Queen, Jackpot, and Ace. I think that was all the ones I said there, except Boston is not here. They give me Boston. So maybe some of the ones I don't have, I'll test them out. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get opening. I don't think I need scissors now. I think the fingers. I say fingers. We both know I have finger. Really? We'll do the job quite nicely. I gotta say, this feels amazing. This is like right there. There's felt. It has a nice sleeve. It's got inlays. I mean, come on, people. This is insanity. I feel like I have the most luxurious box in the world. I wish I could do a Donald Trump because I love that whole in the world. And I can't. I can't. I don't know how to. Okay. It slides out. I should have held the bottom. Check that out. Felt. All right. I gotta say, this is better presentation than most niche fragrances that I get. Oh, this is really a good box. We have Game of Spades right here, and it has all the information. So, for example, keen top notes of orange, lemon, and bergamot, middle notes of fruit, base notes of amber, Madagascar, vanilla, and white musk. Like, there are so many things here. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if my phone will focus. I'm trying. If I'm out of the picture, maybe it'll focus. That's beyond helpful. Like, seriously, Joe Malone. Like, Joe Malone? No, wait. Joe Milano. Sorry. Joe Milano. You don't understand. Or maybe you do understand. Like, this is amazing to have. Because most of the time you get it and you're like, I don't know what it is. You know what it is. But the moment we've all been waiting for. Check this out. Isn't that sweet? Look at that. Look at that. Travel size sprays. I think they're all 10 mils. It's where you can test out the fragrance. Whoo. And then this middle atomizer here. And it's in here snug. Get out. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh. Okay. This is pretty darn cool. That is pretty darn cool. This is heavy. Oh my gosh. And there's one in here. I wonder which one it is. So typically you just pull it out. I think I need to move the box out of my hand, on my lap. So, see, it just slides in and out. This is Royal. Oh my gosh. And then it just slides right back in, fits snugly in place. You have a travel sprayer, which I gotta say, I just came from Vegas. I almost wish I had it clicks into place. See if I can show you. Magnetic. Okay, this is like the coolest thing ever. Should have taken this to Vegas. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Well, I just sprayed a fragrance here that I'm testing. Watch a previous video. I'm not even going to talk about it right now. But I feel like I need to spray this. So let's just go with this one. We'll go with this one. So Royal, I think I said. Do I have space on my right arm? I do. I am clean. Let's go with it. See if you can see it. Okay, that's a pretty darn good atomizer. That's pretty darn good. Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. Let's see, what are the notes again? Royal, top notes, hazelnut, cacao. Middle notes, jasmine, sambac, I think that's how you say it, and cedar. Base notes, caramel, ambroxan, and moss. Ooh, it's changed already. So when I first smelled it, I was like, oh, that's BR540. It smelled like BR540 right off the bat. Now it's kind of died down. You're getting more, now I'm reading the notes. You're getting more, is that jasmine or a cedar? That's the cedar. Okay, so you get the sweetness of the jasmine and a little bit of the woodiness of the cedar coming through now. Yeah, definitely that's cedar. It still has that like sweetness of the BR540. I'm not saying it's BR540, please don't get me wrong, but it has that sweetness. Oh, I like it. So caramel, maybe it's the moss I'm getting now. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Now, I have not looked up if any of these are supposed to be like a different fragrance or smelling like another fragrance or inspired by one. I do know rouge because I have rouge up there. It smells similar to BR540. And by similar, I mean pretty darn similar. I mean, again, it's called rouge. Just saying. I'm really liking this a lot. I could see this being a good office fragrance. I could see this being a good night out fragrance. If you're going out, doing something, going to a bar, going to a restaurant, I can see this working really well. It's interesting. It has a nice little freshness to it. So I think this would be a great spring fragrance. Again, this is first impression. Like I just opened this box, just put it on. First impression, I have no idea performance, longevity, sillage, or even if as it dries down, go, oh no, wait, this is more of a fall fragrance. This is more of a winter fragrance. I have no idea. This is coming to my head right now. That moss, yeah, it's definitely the moss. I'm getting the moss now. Normally, I'm not a moss fan, but the way, and I don't know if it's the hazelnut, the cacao, I think it's the jasmine. That like sweetness from the jasmine. I think the way it's working with the moss and that cedar, it makes it smell really good. So it's balanced really well. This is really good. Oh, if anyone asks me what's a good moss fragrance, I'm going to say Royal. This is good. I cannot wait. Again, I have King, Wildcard, Win, Rouge Extrait, Royal, Bid, Queen, Jackpot, and Ace. And for a travel atomizer, this is next level. This is taking it up, not a notch, like the whole like grid, like amazing. And like, look at that. That is next level packaging, next level presentation. This is insane. Like, I thank you so much for sending this. I cannot wait to test these out, talk more about them. Holy cow. So look for a future video. I will do one where I'll probably explore this entire collection all in one go. And then again, I have samples over here. I have Bid. Let's see, I need the paper. There we go. Let's see which ones. Okay, so Bid I already have. Queen I already have. Boston. Boston's not here. So I got Boston 2 to test out. Win. I already got Win. Royal, I just sprayed it on. Good. Rouge, just sprayed it. I have that. Wild card, yep. And the other one is not flipping over for me. There we go. King. King is here. Yeah. So Boston. I got a Boston one, which I don't know what Boston smells like. So I cannot wait to talk more about this. Again, this was sent to me by Joe Milano. The whole Game of Spades collection. This is from Game of Spades. Thank you so much. Cannot wait to talk about these more often. And it's, again, I'm going to tag them down below if you're interested. Click on their account. They have their shop there. Again, I don't get a kickback. So if you want it, buy it. If you don't want it, don't. It's totally up to you. I'm just saying, based off this is really nice. I'm digging this so much. So again, thank you so much. This is Nubs Fragrance. Thanks for following the channel. Can't wait to talk to you in the future. Peace out.